Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Alchemix Coin using the FTX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX app, then go to the invest section, which is on the left side of the screen, and here you can either go to the search bar and type in the crypto that you are looking for, or you can go on and start scrolling down on the crypto list, where you can find some of the most popular cryptos right now on the platform, which is always a good thing. Maybe you can find some new gems that are going to the moon. So I just found Alchemix that we are talking about right now. You just have to tap on it when you have found it, and here you can see some statistics around this crypto regarding the last day, hour, last week, last month, 3 months, and 1 year. And if you scroll even below that, you can see some more statistics around this crypto: the volume traded, the popularity, the market capital, and the circulating supply. And here, if you tap on read more, you can read a short story about this crypto. Now, when you decided if you want to buy this coin, you just have to tap on buy, which is going to open up the buying page where you can type in the amount that you would like to purchase from this crypto. I won't do that right now because I don't want to share my personal information on YouTube, but that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.